Welcome back to Frost Electronics. Today I'm building something every retro repair bench should have, my very own dim bulb tester. It's simple, it's clever, and it can save your vintage hardware from a very bad day. Let's get started. This time I would have looked at my nice Bang & Olufsen BR Master 610, but you know, when you pick up something from your local e-waste for a few kroner, then you're not sure if it's short or not, so you don't want to put it into the plug. So first now I will start and build my own dumb bulb tester. It's going to use this nice box I have 3D printed. And you know, you have a cable like this one, and if you think it's a strange connector, then it's because it's a Danish tree branch. And that I will put into the box with this one. And the output will be this one. It also looks a little bit strange, but it's also for Danish market. And if I just put the power in from this one to this one, that'll be, it's only an extension cord. So I will put this one in between, and it's for my electric bulb to put there, and I can explain later what it is doing. But I also have the choice to just reroute the power around the bulb, so it's just going straight through. And let's start in this end. I got my power in, and this one should just fit here. Yeah. I got some screws for that here. And a screwdriver and next part is this one, and as you can see, it's, or maybe you can't, but it's made to have in a piece of wood that is approx that thick, and my 3D printer is not thick enough for that, and I made a small support. So on off switch, and then the next was I got this bulb. And then I got this one, and I need to be sure how it is. So when it's like this, then it's short circuiting the stuff, and it has to be like this, so it's at the pass through, because when it's like this, then the power is passed through and not going through the bulb. And I need a big nut, but I didn't have it, so I just 3D printed a big nut that's right in the size, but it's not right inside. I just measured how many millimeters it was, and then I made it half the size. And I think I can force it on now. I'll print a new one later. So now I just have to connect all the wires, and we used to use this kind of connectors in Denmark, and it's yeah, not anymore. So instead I'll use these, and the first thing I'll connect is a proper earthing to an earthing the other way. So the earthing is fine. Yeah. And then I will take from the power, I'll take the light one. The coloring of the cable in Europe, or especially in Denmark, is that the brown is live, and the blue is neutral, and the green yellow is earthing. So I'll first take the brown live and put it to the bulb, and take this one with it, and then out from the bulb. I've used the green one, and why did I do that? It's because in here in Europe, it's the bottom one is the live one, and the one on the side is a neutral one. So the power coming in will go to the bottom one as it should, and out it's not going to neutral, it's going out to our connector. But it's the live is in the bottom, and that's important. So when it comes out, it goes to this one. And of course, when you made it, you need to pull all the lines to see if it's fixed. Do it like this instead. Yeah, like this. And the blue one coming in is the neutral, and that's just connected from in to out. Like this. So only two things are missing now. A proper fix of this one, and a lid. I got the lid here. So that's my dim bulb tester, but something is missing, and it's not easy to get a bulb today that is not LED. But I was lucky in Denmark. We have a place called Mr. Perfect, and what could they supply? They could supply 25 watt, 60 watt and 100 watt. So they had what I was looking for. So we will just make a test setup to see if it is working or not. And now when it's connected, it's not easy to see if it is working or not. But then I made this interesting little thing that I'm going to totally disassemble when I'm finished, because as you can see inside, it's only a wire going around to make it short. And if it is working as it should, then you can see the bulb is on. And then I can just, if I just switch this one, then the bulb will not light up anymore, but then I'll make a short circuit and the fuses are gone. So that's my own dim bulb tester that I made, so I'm ready for future projects with radios or old equipment that I'm not sure that the power supply is not making a short. There we go. The dim bulb tester is finished and ready to protect old machines from disaster. If you got questions or ideas for improvements, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in video number 6.